Class 5 EVS. Now let's start now. We'll do the next part now. Perfect health. Perfect health. We enjoy perfect health when all parts of body perform their function without any discomfort. Okay, we are free from any kind of disease. We have the right body weight. We have enough stamina and energy to perform our daily activity. We have the means we have enough strength and energy to perform daily activity. We sleep at least 6 to 8 hours a day daily now. Key to perfect health. What are the keys, things that for perfect health? Now see, games, exercise and yogas you have to do. Proper sleep and relaxation, healthy diet, proper food, personal hygiene and clean surrounding. So personal hygiene and clean surrounding should be there. Exercise, games and yogas. Exercise, games and yogas. Exercise keeps our body healthy. Walking, jogging, or playing any sports is a good means of exercise for the body. Yoga exercise like deep breathing, pranayam, etc. improves the blood circulation, memory, eyesight, and keep us fit. Regular exercise also help us to fight diseases. Okay, you should do exercise regularly to fight diseases also. Now, proper sleep and relaxation. After exercising and doing various activities, our body needs rest. We get rest by proper sleep. Proper sleep relax our body and mind so that we stay healthy. Healthy diet. Healthy eating is necessary to keep our body fit. We should follow some rules while cooking and eating. Okay, now see. Start your day with a healthy breakfast. Eat grains, fruits and vegetables in proper quantities. Do not overcook or deep fry the food since it leads to loss of vital nutrient. Wash fruits, vegetables, rice and pulses before cooking them. Okay, before cooking them, wash them. Do not wash vegetables after cutting them so that the water soluble nutrient gets washed away. Always keep the food in clean and uncovered container. Clean and covered container. Wash your hands before handling any food item. Eat slowly, take small bites and chew the food properly. Do not overeat, okay, because very unhealthy. Healthy food and food combination. Food combination of pulses and grains provide protein rich in a rich amount. For example, khichdi, dhokla, idli, dosa, vegetables are soya pulao. Food items which combine protein, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals are rich source of energy. They help in the growth of the body. For example, aloo paratha, spinach paratha, dal and spinach dosas. Protein, calcium and vitamin E combination keep us healthy and fit. For example, milk and rice, milk and cornflakes as a protein, calcium and vitamin E. See, rich. Personal hygiene and clean surrounding. Personal hygiene is very important to stay away from disease. We should bathe at least twice. Okay? We should bathe twice a day to get rid of germs and dirt. We should brush our teeth twice a day to cut our nails regularly. It is important to wash our hands also. Now, before and after eating food, we use the before and after eating food, we should wash our hands. After using the bathroom, we should wash our hands. After sneezing and coughing, after touching pets and animals, after doing any physical exercise, after visiting a sick relatives or friend, we should wash our hands after that. Maintain a clean surrounding is also very important to stay healthy. Okay, now see. This activity no need to do now. Let's start this one. We enjoy perfect health. Now, correct the following statement by changing the underlined words. We enjoy perfect health if we sleep for at least 6 to 8 hours. Minute you have to change into hours. We exercise keeps our body lazy and fit. It will be cut lazy and right fit. We should brush our teeth twice a week, not twice a day. Food combination of pulses and grains provide protein. Provide protein in rich amount, not carbohydrate. Changing food habit. Earlier, the diet of the people includes a lot of homemade nutrient food, but nowadays consumption of packaged food products has increased mainly. Many varieties of non-alcoholic aerated drinks means non-alcoholic means soft drinks, cold drinks, okay, drinks are also popular among people. Restaurants and food joints serve variety of mouth-watering dishes and are in constant competition with the popular homemade Indian snacks like idli, milk, poha, etc. They serve various items such as potato chips, popcorn, pizza, burger, and noodles. These food items are called junk food. These are not good for our health. Okay, junk foods are not good for health. Pizza, burger, all these are not good. Now, tick the food item that are healthy and junk food. Okay, this one you can do by yourself. Food spoilage means the food sometimes it becomes spoils. Now see, every food item is to be stored properly to prevent its spoilage. Food gets spoiled due to germs present in the air and thrive on it. It goes on it and contaminate the unprotected food products. Food spoilage can be defined as an undesirable change in the normal state of food. We can what is food spoilage? Undesirable change in normal state of food. We can observe them by changing. We can observe these changes by smell, sight, taste, and touch. We can understand the food is spoiled how by seeing it, by touching, by smelling it. Spoilage of food is unsafe for consumption. For should not eat that food which food is spoiled. It will make you sick or ill. Method of preserving. How will you preserve food now? Drying. Some food items are dried in the sun, reduce moisture content in them, which prevent the growth of germs. This method is used to preserve wheat, rice, oats, etc. by drying. Okay, if you dry, they will be safe for a long time. Refrigeration. Food is preserved at low temperature to prevent bacterial and fungal growth. This is called refrigeration. Food items such as apples, meat, fish, milk, etc. are stored at low temperature to prevent their spoilage. Okay, if you milk, fish, all you have to refrigerate. Okay, otherwise it will spoil. This is because bacteria responsible for spoiling the food becomes inactivate at low temperature. When it is low temperature is a cold temperature. Okay, the bacteria cannot act. Okay, now note down the detail of the given food item completely. Wait to this one, leave now. Pickling and sweetening. This also how to prepare. We can pickle and sweetening. Vegetables like carrot, fruits like raw mangoes are preserved in the form of pickle. Pickle means achars, by adding salt, vinegar, and vegetable oils. Fruit pulps, jams, etc. preserved from seasonal fruits and juices are preserved by sweetening. Okay, you are making some fruits like mango, carrot. You are making pickles, achars, and preserving it, and some fruits like pulps, jams are preserved by adding sweet to them. Okay, they are making sweetened and they are preserved. Okay, pickling and sweetening is called canning. Food, cooked or semi-cooked food is preserved in airtight container or bottles. Okay, this process is called canning. Okay, some little cooked or semi-cooked. Okay, cooked food and sometimes it is little bit cooked and they are canned, preserved in a container called canned. Okay, airtight container, it is canned inside, that is called canning. By this you can preserve that food. Canning prevents the food inside from coming in contact with the germs in the air, germs in the outside, thus preventing it from contamination, thus preventing it from getting spoiled. Okay, so this we have finished now. Give one word for the following. The process of drying food item in sun in order to reduce moisture content in them. Drying. This is called what? Drying. The process of preserving food in low temperature to prevent bacterial growth. Refrigeration. It's called refrigeration. Drying, refrigeration. Desirable change in normal state of food. Undesirable change in the normal state of food. Canning. This will be undesirable are preserved in the form of pickles and preserved in a airtight container. Canning prevent the food from undesirable change in the normal food of canning. This you can do myself. Okay, now we have finished the chapter. For today, this much. Thank you.